my name is Michael, and today I'll be going over some tips for beginner surfers to help them stay safe and make surfing more enjoyable. The philosophy of surfing. Have fun. Don't get frustrated. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't quit. Make sure you try again and keep practicing. And also, when you're out there, remember to enjoy the beauty of the ocean. For safety, there are several factors to take into account when considering ocean safety. The weather. The best weather is sunny and little to no wind. But watch out for wind and thunder while you're out in the water. Wind can increase the size of the waves and make it more choppy. Waves. Big waves can be hazardous and you might hurt yourself or someone else if you lose your board. Hollow waves are steep at the top and can be fun for advanced surfers but are dangerous for beginners. A term going over the falls is if you get caught on the lip of the wave and are brought down on the front of the wave. It's one of the worst wipeouts, but make sure to clear your board and try not to land head first. They're more dangerous than shallow water, and imagine like getting tossed by the waves and body slammed into the bottom. Crumbling waves have a more gradual slope and allow more time for the wave to release its energy, making them slower and ideal for beginners. If you do have a wipeout, which you will, fall away from your board and try to land in the water flat on your back with your arms out to avoid hitting the bottom. When you're out in the water, keep an eye out for currents and understand if you get caught in a rip current and how to get out of one. Swim parallel to the land and stay calm and use your board to help you. Landscapes. Some surf spots have rocks or boulders that form wave breaks. These spots can be a lot of fun, but it's important to be aware of them. Make sure you take off in the right direction and avoid getting carried by the current into rock. Cliffs can be a nightmare if you get caught inside, which makes it difficult to get out of the water. It is recommended that beginners avoid these spots. Piers. Some experienced surfers like to shoot the pier and surf under the pier. This is dangerous, and many areas have laws about surfing near piers, so make sure you're aware of the rules when you surf. Jetties are long fingers of rocks that extend into the ocean and can be dangerous if you wipe out near them. Make sure to keep a safe distance from them. Reefs can create great waves, but are dangerous in certain areas. Reef bottoms tend to be shallow, and hitting them can cause cuts and scrapes. Surfers will wear wetsuits or booties on their feet to protect themselves from rocky or reef breaks. Other surfers. One of the biggest hazards in the ocean is other surfers. Crowded breaks can be dangerous because there are lots of boards flying around. Surfers who don't respect etiquette are known as kooks and can create dangerous situations. Look out for other surfers before you take off on a wave. They may be in front of you or next to you trying to catch the same wave. Make sure you communicate with surfers around you to avoid collisions. And make sure you know the rules of surfing etiquette and obey them to stay safe. Swimming abilities. Make sure you know how to swim before you get into the water to surf. Your surfboard is not a flotation device, and you can be separated from it. Practice swimming when the ocean is calm and learn how to tread water. You have to be comfortable in the ocean or else you'll panic and put yourself in danger. Being confident in the ocean will help you and make surfing much more enjoyable. Sea critters. Be aware of the local ocean animals in the area, such as jellyfish, stingrays, urchins, and yes, sharks. There's a lot to think about before you get into the ocean. Ocean safety is the #1 priority when surfing. If you're uncomfortable because the waves are too big, don't feel bad about not going in. Be smart and you'll stay safe and enjoy surfing.